All right, let's see what we can do. That's a little better. Thank you. The thing doesn't run very well on flat tires, but it can run. Oh shit, we're gonna have to go back to base. This is horrible. I'll show you all a trick real quick. Backwards is faster and has more torque going up hills.
Yeah, it moved a lot faster.
Unfortunately, that chopper fucked us up. We need to handle these damn wheels because it'll take us forever to get to Sputnik.
Yeah, it will.
It's been fun jamming with you guys.
Yeah, learning a lot too.
Yeah. All good. And if we die, we die.
We can always respawn.
That's a trench, isn't it? Fuck. Okay. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna get a beer. I'll be right back. Changing out your bed? Or you got a new one? George can get on there now. George will get on there now. We all good? No. Sir, if you're gonna be on YouTube.
YouTube.
I'm trying to figure out how these guys are gonna get in my in my gunner seat.
Derp's doing the Lord's work. Gonna take him out to barbecue later. Chopper, friendly, east. One more tire. I thought that was actually the tank. I thought that was tank rounds, and all of a sudden I saw shit coming out of the sky. Hell yeah, get him, brother. Let's go. Hey, y'all, we're moving out now.
Hop
Moving
out
out.
my gunner seat, Brody.
Copy that. I'm gonna move out in 10 seconds. Oh hell yeah. We got fucking road repair. Let's go get this shit. I mean, we're unstoppable. Same thing. That was a helicopter, I think. Yep.
I really hope these guys know how to aim.
Oh, you're not the gunner?
No, he took my seat.
Buddy, I need you to let him have the gun again unless you're any good. We're getting hit by a chopper.
Good.
We gonna let him cook, let him cook.
Let him cook? Okay. Alright, we're gonna push past. We're gonna move out.
Hey, remember, just give me a direction and I'll blow that whole thing up.
He's way up high. Okay, there he is. Southwest, high. There he is. There he is.